In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a service category, variant, and extras. To create a service category, from the menu, click Services. Click the Add Category button from the Categories tab. Add category name and description. Click Show to Customers and click Save. To unpublish a category, turn off the toggle button. You can also edit or delete a category. To create a service, click Services next to the Categories tab. Click the Add Service button. Select the service category from the drop-down in the category box. Add service name and description. Add the service's variant name, price, and duration. To add more variants of the same service, click the Add Variant button. Click Save to create the service. You can also delete a variant if you prefer. To add extras to a service, navigate to the Extras tab. Click Add Extra. Put in the name of the extra. Put in the price. Click Show on Booking and save to create the extra. You can edit or delete the extra service. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.